Whitepaper AI Modeling for ERP. Data Lake. Training data. Test data. Neural networks. ML, machine learning. DNN, deep neural networks. About ML/DNN, subset of ML is DNN. Forecast architecture. 1 AI engine model training from the training data input layer. 2 hidden layer, for forecast from AI model. Python library programs for forecast from neural network. /and. Python library programs for forecast from deep neural networks. 3 forecast output layer. Note, the same cycle will be repeated with test data as shown above for AI engine perfection and audit. After audit and AI engine perfection, the mature engine will be deployed in-house or/and cloud architecture. 4 forecast data migration to Power BI, Microsoft product, for designing management dashboards. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. Explanation of the key concepts and processes involved in AI modeling for ERP, as outlined in the white paper. Data Lake. Centralized repository for storing large volumes of raw, structured, and unstructured data from various ERP systems and other sources. Provides a foundation for AI model training and testing. Training data. Historical ERP data used to teach the AI model patterns and relationships within the data. Used to develop the model's ability to make accurate predictions. Test data. Separate dataset used to evaluate the model's performance and generalization capabilities. Ensures the model can accurately forecast on unseen data. Neural networks. AI algorithms inspired by the human brain, capable of learning complex patterns and relationships in data. Can be used for various ERP tasks, including forecasting, anomaly detection, and optimization. ML, machine learning. Broader field of AI that encompasses techniques for enabling computers to learn from data without explicit programming. Includes neural networks as a subset. DNN, deep neural networks. Neural networks with multiple hidden layers, capable of learning more intricate patterns and handling complex, high-dimensional data. Often used for advanced forecasting tasks in ERP. Forecast architecture. 1 AI engine model training. Training data is fed into the neural network model. The model learns to map input data to desired outputs, forecasts. 2 hidden layer, forecast from AI model. Internal layers of the neural network where complex computations and feature extraction occur. Python libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch are used to implement these models. 3 forecast output layer. Final layer that generates the forecasted values. Model perfection and audit. Test data is used to evaluate the model's accuracy and bias. Model is refined and audited to ensure reliability and fairness. Deployment. Mature model is deployed in-house or on cloud infrastructure. Data migration. Forecasted data is integrated with Power BI for visualization and decision-making in management dashboards. Key benefits of AI modeling. For ERP. Improved forecasting accuracy and precision. Enhanced decision-making based on data-driven insights. Process optimization and automation. Anomaly detection and risk mitigation. Personalized customer experiences. Increased operational efficiency and cost savings. Boardroom presentation and discussion about AI sales graph on all India historical data. Python code, employing AI techniques, plotted the graph. This emphasizes the AI techniques within the Python code. Graph is based on test data set. About graph. The provided graph depicts a map of India, with Calcutta, Delhi, and Bombay highlighted and their respective sales figures and percentage of total sales shown. Here's a breakdown. Locations. Calcutta, represented by a red circle on the east coast, near the mouth of the Ganges River. Its sales figure is INR 25,000, contributing approximately 18.8% to the total sales. Delhi, marked with a blue circle in the north-central region. Its sales figure stands at INR 29,000, accounting for roughly 21.9% of the total. Bombay, shown by a purple circle on the west coast, south of Mumbai. Its sales figure is the highest at INR 45,000, representing around 33.6% of the total. Sales and percentage. Each city is labeled with its sales figure in INR and the corresponding percentage contribution to the total sale, rounded to 2 decimal places. The percentage contributions are calculated by dividing each city's sales figure by the total sale, INR 100,000, and multiplying by 100. Overall, the graph visually represents the distribution of sales across the 3 major cities. Bombay emerges as the leading contributor with the highest sales figure and percentage. Delhi follows closely behind with a slightly lower sales figure but a comparable percentage contribution. Calcutta has the lowest sales figure and percentage contribution among the 3 cities. Additional notes. The graph focuses on sales figures and their proportions, not geographical details like distances between cities. The size of the circles marking the cities does not directly correspond to their sales figures. I hope this explanation clarifies the information presented in the graph. Thank you.